So I'll come, okay, multiplying fractions, quite straightforward. The tops times by each other and the bottoms times by each other. That's as simple as it is. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 5 is 10. I can't divide those by anything. There's no number that they can both divide by, so I can't simplify it. 4 times 9 is 36, and 5 times 10 is 50, and both of these can be halved. So it becomes 18 over 25. And then when I've got a whole number times by a fraction, I can make it into a fraction by dividing it by 1, because 18 divided by 1 is 18 anyway. Any number divided by 1 becomes itself anyway. So 2 times 18 is 36, and 3 times 1 is 3. So this becomes 36 divided by 3, which equals 12. Now question 4, calculate the area of the rectangle. We know the area of the rectangle is length times by width. So the length is the long side and the width is the short side. So the length is 7 over 9 and the short side is 1 over 5. 7 times 1 is 7, 9 times 5 is 45. There's no number that they can both divide by, so you can't simplify that anymore, so you leave that as it is. Now on to multiplying mixed numbers. The idea, the simplest way to do it is to convert it into a top heavy. How do I do that? I times by the bottom number, so the big number times by the bottom number, then I add the top number. So 1 times 3 is 3, 3 add 1 is 4, so it becomes 4 over 3 times. 2 times 5 is 10, 10 add 2 is 12, so that becomes 12 over 5. Now it's the same as what I did over here. 4 times 12 is 48, and 3 times 5 is 15, and can they divide by anything? Excuse me. So I can divide both by 3. So if I do 48 divided by 3, I can get 16, and 15 divided by 3 would be 5. And the best way to simplify is to turn it back into a mixed fraction. How many times does 5 go into 16? It goes 3 times. How many remainder? 1 over 5. And you could have simplified that straight from there also. Thanks for listening.